Mathematics in our modern world, logic.
What is logic? In our conundrums of philosophy, it is a study of reason and good arguments. It is a way for a person to bridge decisions based on what is available in front of him or her. We ask, what is the meaning or language when it was placed in the Noah Webster's American Dictionary?
Here, AB is the base, AC is the altitude height, and BC is the hypotenuse. It is to be noted that the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right-angle triangle. Math riddles. Three brothers lived in a farm. They agreed to buy new seeds. Adam and Ben would go and Charlie stayed to protect fields. Ben bought 75 sacks of wheat in the market, whereas Adam bought 45 sacks at home. They split the sacks equally. Charlie had paid $1,400 for the wheat. How much dollars did Ben and Adam get of the sum considering equal split of the sacks? Every farmer part is one-third, 45 plus 75 equals 40, one-third, 45 plus 75 equals 40 sacks. Charlie paid $1,400, $1,400 for 40 sacks, then one sack cost $1,400, 40 equal $35 sacks, 1,400 equal 40, and 35 equals sacks. Adam got $35 times 45 minus 40 equal 35 times 5 equals $175 equal 35 plus 45 minus 40 equal 35 times 5 equal $175. Ben got 35 equals 75 minus 40 equals 35 times 35 equals $1,225. $35 times 75 minus 40 equal 35 times 35 equal $1,225. Answers: Ben $1,225 and Adam $175. Logarithm: the exponent or power to which a base must be raised to yield the given number. Logarithms were quickly adopted by scientists because of various useful properties that simplified long, tedious calculus. In particular, scientists could find the product of two numbers, m and n, by looking up each numbers. Logarithm in a special table, adding the logarithms together, and then consulting the table again to find the number with that calculated logarithm known as its anti-logarithm. Expressed mathematically, x is the logarithm of the n base b if bx equal n, in which case one writes x equal log bn. For example, 23 equal 8, therefore 3 is the